Hey crew, today's video will be some oven baked T-bone steaks, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. I have some bell peppers, I have my personal seasoning, salt and black pepper, and right here I have my steak that I was marinating in zesty Italian dressing. So this is gonna be a quick and simple and easy video for y'all. So happy Sunday. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video and comment on the video. Let's get into this video. Okay crew, so we're just gonna start off by cutting up our peppers. Okay crew, so we have our pan here. These are the steaks that I marinated with Italian dressing. Only thing I did was clean them, poke some holes in them with a fork, and then I put them in a Ziploc bag and poured the Italian dressing in there, and I let them marinate overnight in the refrigerator. Okay crew, so moving right along, we're gonna take some salt, black pepper, my personal seasoning, and the only reason I added salt is because my seasoning doesn't contain salt. Use whatever seasoning you prefer.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen.
Alright, so we got our steak seasoned on both sides. I'm gonna give y'all that famous close up. Then after that, we're gonna put the peppers in it. Put a little butter or margarine in it. Cover it with foil and put it in the oven at 350 degrees. Okay crew, here's that famous close up.
Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot. Telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot.
Okay, so moving right along.
So I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way. Gotta go our own way. Yeah, this was not a good stay.
Okay, so we have our peppers on our steaks, our steak seasoning. We're gonna go in with a little bit of margarine.
And it's time for something new, yeah.
So that's all the margarine I'm gonna go in with. I'm gonna now put the lemon foil on it and put it in the oven.
I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now
The total cooking process was 1 hour and 30 minutes at 350 degrees. And I'm about to give y'all that famous close-up. Here's that famous close-up of our baked steaks. I'm about to show y'all how tender these steaks are. It just pull apart with a fork. And it's still moist and it's not dried out. Alright y'all, so here's the oven baked steak that I cooked, and I also did some green beans and potatoes. And we're gonna let Queen give the steak a try and tell y'all what she thinks. She gonna be honest about it like always. And it just break off with a fork.
Okay then. It's really good. You can taste the peppers. You can taste the peppers. Taste the green beans. And it's tender. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. I like it.
You do? You see, they just break with a fork.
Look at that. Okay, I'm ready to eat.
Alright y'all, so I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.
I'm ready to eat.
Pops out. Peace.
Bye y'all.